Here's today's top story. Windows 11 now suffering from BSODs and instability due to an unlikely culprit, RGB peripherals. Microsoft offers a remedy to users experiencing problems. It's like whenever Microsoft attempts to fix something in Windows 11 through one of its updates, it ends up breaking something for a large percentage of users. Whether it's an old habit or a lack of effort, the software giant has recognized that RGB peripherals are causing its operating system to freeze, cause game crashes, or suffer from BSODs, at least for those who installed the latest August update, KB5121003. Thankfully, the company at least did the right thing by offering a solution to the problem. The underlying problem for Windows 11 crashing is due to a driver using the Windows registry. Temporarily disabling it can fix the problem. Various online games, such as Arc Raiders, Marvel Token, Fighting Souls, and The Finals, were crashing after updating to KB5121003, with the BSOD showing the cause as exception_access_violation. Upon further investigation, Tom's Hardware has found that the problem is related to peripherals that support RGB lighting. Some of these parts can automatically install drivers with file names similar to input64, causing a crash. Ongoing investigation indicates that this issue is related to peripherals or internal device components which have RGB lighting features. Such devices may install drivers or code components with file names similar to input64. In systems where these drivers are found, the issue is then triggered by launching certain games. Microsoft has mentioned that the workaround is temporarily disabling the input64 driver using the Windows registry. However, those unfamiliar with modifying the Windows 11 registry should proceed with caution because unnecessary changes can lead to further system instability. The company has included the following steps below, so make sure that you follow them to the letter. Open the Windows registry. This can be done by opening the Start menu and typing regedit. Select the registry editor from the results. Navigate to the key hkw_local_machine/system/current control set/services/input64. This can be done using the folders on the left side of the window, or typing the path into the address line at the top of the window. Note: ensure you have backed up the registry, as per the important note above. It may be necessary if you need to undo the change in the following steps. On the right side of the window, find the registry value named Start. Double-click this key and enter the number 4 under the field titled Value Data. Close the window and restart your computer. Microsoft does state that disabling this registry entry can potentially cause the RGB features on the peripherals to exhibit erratic behavior or stop working entirely. Assuming you prefer all of that rainbow lighting, you can enable the registry key again, but you should be well aware of the risks beforehand. It appears that Microsoft needs to push out another update to scale this obstacle too. Follow WukTech on Google to get more of our news coverage in your feeds. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.